am Rio from Japan. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Today, I enjoy rice bowl onigiri. You can make onigiri easily with plastic wrap. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First of all, I introduce the ingredient I use today. 2 cups of rice, 6 sheets of seaweed, 1 piece of salmon, 100 grams beef, 3 pickled plums, 10 grams dried bonito, 1 canned tuna, and sesame seeds. The seasonings are soy sauce, sweet sake, cooking sake, mayonnaise, sugar, and salt. Prepare the rice bowl filling. First, pickled plums. Of the 3 pickled plums, 2 are used for filling, and 1 for topping. Remove the plum seed for the filling. Mash the pickled plum with the seed removed. The pickled plum rice bowl fillings is completed. Next is tuna mayo. The canned tuna contains excess oil, so use the colander to remove the oil. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 1/2 teaspoons of soy sauce and mix. This is called tuna mayo in Japan. Next is salmon. Sprinkle the salt on 1 piece of salmon. Turn salmon over and sprinkle with salt. Turn on the heat and put oil in a frying pan. Place the salmon on the frying pan. When one side is lightly cooked, flip it over. When both sides are lightly browned, separate the salmon into pieces. Add 1/2 teaspoons of soy sauce and mix. When the salmon is fully cooked, turn off the heat and transfer to the container. Salmon preparation is completed. Next, make the okaka. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of cooking sake, 1/2 tablespoon of sweet sake, and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a frying pan before heating. Mix it up and set it on fire. When the sauce boils, add 10 grams of bonito flakes and mix. Mix so that the whole bonito flakes is seasoned. Once it's mixed, turn off the heat and add the sesame seed. Mix it. Transfer it to the container. This is called okaka in Japan. Finally, make seasoned beef. Chop the beef into small pieces. You can cut the beef with a knife or scissors. Add 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet sake, and 1/2 tablespoons of sugar to the frying pan before heating. Mix the sauce and put it on a fire. When the sauce boils, add the beef. Boil it while stirring. When the beef is fully cooked, turn off the heat. Put it in the container. This is called the shigureni of beef in Japan. All fillings are completed. Next, prepare the rice. You should prepare hot rice. Put 2 cups of rice and 1/2 teaspoons of salt in a bowl and mix. Divide the rice into 6 equal pieces. Today, I make 6 rice balls. Make rice balls. First, salt onigiri. Sprinkle a little salt on top of the wrap. Place rice for 1 onigiri on the plastic wrap. Wrap the rice with plastic wrap. Use both hands to hold the rice into triangle shape. Slightly hollow your left hand and press the rice ball. Bend your right hand about 60 degrees and grab the top of the rice ball. Rotate the rice ball like this to form the triangle. You can match the rice ball to your desired thickness. Place the onigiri on your desk. Arrange it into a beautiful triangle and adjust the thickness. When the beautiful triangle onigiri is completed, remove the plastic wrap. Wrap silhouette around the side of the rice ball. Hold the remaining part of the silhouette. Shape lightly. The salt onigiri is ready. Next, make the rice balls with filling. Place plastic wrap inside the bowl. Place 2/3 of the amount of rice for 1 onigiri on the plastic wrap. Spread rice thinly. Place the filling on top of rice. Pickled plum, bonito flakes, okaka, salmon, tuna mayo, and beef. Place the remaining 1/3 of the rice on top of the filling. Wrap the rice with plastic wrap. Squeeze the onigiri in the same way as you would for the salt onigiri. Once you have the nice triangle rice ball, remove the plastic wrap. Wrap the rice ball with silhouette. Squeeze the top of the rice ball with chopstick to make a dent. Finally, put the pickled plum on top. Other rice balls are similarly wrapped in silhouette and topped with the same ingredient as a filling. Okaka, salmon, tuna mayo, and beef. 6 types of rice ball have been completed. Enjoy onigiri with green tea. Today, I made 6 base types of rice balls with a simple flour. You can enjoy onigiri with your favorite filling. What kind of onigiri do you like? If there is a rice bowl you want me to make, please request it in the comments.
Thank you for reviewing Harvard Onigiri. Don't you think it's so easy? Sometime I will tell you other onigiri recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. And I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!